Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable search suggestions in Bing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the hamburger icon up at the top right corner of the Bing homepage. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select Settings. Select the More button. And now on the right side, underneath Search Suggestions, see Search Suggestions as you type. Either uncheck that if you want to disable it, or you can check mark it to re-enable Search Suggestions. And then you will need to select Save to save the change. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.